Step 1. Enable Secure Boot and TPM in BIOS. This error usually appears because Secure Boot or TPM 2.0 is disabled in your BIOS. These two security features are required for FACEIT Anti-Cheat to verify your system. Here's how to enable them. Restart your computer. While your PC is booting, press your BIOS key, usually F2, F10, Delete, or ESC, depending on your motherboard. Once you enter the BIOS, go to the Boot tab or Security tab. Find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Next, find the TPM setting. If you have an Intel CPU, look for PTT and enable it. If you have an AMD CPU, look for FTPM and enable it. Save your changes and exit BIOS. Your PC will restart. Step 2. Check TPM status in Windows. Now we need to confirm that TPM is enabled. Press Windows plus R. Type tpm.msc. Press Enter. In the TPM window, make sure it says, "The TPM is ready for use." If it says TPM not found, go back into BIOS and check the TPM setting again. Step 3. Check Secure Boot status. Next, let's confirm that Secure Boot is enabled. Press Windows plus R again. Type msinfo32. Press Enter. In the System Information window, look for Secure Boot state. It should say On. If it says Off, go back into BIOS and make sure Secure Boot is enabled. Step 4. Convert legacy BIOS to UEFI if needed. If Secure Boot cannot be enabled, your system may be running in legacy BIOS mode. To check this, open System Information again. Look for BIOS mode. If it says Legacy, you need to convert your disk from MBR to GPT. Here's how. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following command: mbr2 gpt/convert/allow full OS. After the conversion, restart your PC. Enter BIOS again. Change boot mode to UEFI. Enable Secure Boot. Step 5. Restart FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Now restart your computer. Then launch FACEIT Anti-Cheat again. The error, "Your PC requires the following settings to be enabled," should now be fixed, if the error still appears. If you still get the error, make sure Windows 10 or Windows 11 is fully updated. Reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat to refresh its security checks. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the FACEIT Anti-Cheat error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.